Get ready with me, guys. So, I'm off to work. I'm a work at home mom. So, dito lang ako sa bahay. Ginagawa ko yung daily task for work. And before I do that, I need to make my daily routine. Well, actually, this daily routine, ngayon ko lang ito ginala. Na supposedly dapat dati pa. To tell you honestly, I really much prefer working on site. Matagal ko na sinabi yan. But since I'm a mother of 3 and I have this youngest son of mine, 1-year-old pa lang siya, and I know that kailangan ng mga anak ko ng guidance and ng pag-aaruga ko araw-araw. At pag nag-work ako on-site, hindi ko yun nagagawa. So, I really beg my employer to send me to work at home. Kahit alam ko na hindi yun mag-work para sa akin. Pero, I need to make it work and to maintain this setup kasi malaking tulong yung nalalesen sa pamasahe, diba? Tapos you do not need much more effort to dress up. Like kung maayos lang na pambahay, okay na. But yun nga, yung mga disadvantages, more of like almost always talaga na parang demotivated ako sa work, and may times din na nag-overthink ako ng mga bagay-bagay. So, hindi siya healthy mentally and emotionally actually. But I need to face the fact na kailangan kong gawin ito para sa mga anak ko. So, I'm trying to make things work. I'm trying to make it right. Sabi ko, kailangan mag-set ng routine every day. Like, kung paano ko mag-work on site. Gigising ng maaga, or gigising ng maaga, maghahanda, magpe-prepare. Yung travel time ko doon, pag nag-on-site before, it's 2 hours. So, kailangan mag-alat ako ng 2 hours for travel time. Plus, yung preparation. So, mga dapat 5 hours before the shift, dapat gising na ako, naghahanda na ako. So, yun. I'm doing well when I'm on-site. Pero dito sa work at home setup, medyo nahihirapan ako kasi matagal ako mag-transition actually. Yes. And lagi ako naka-call out. So, in order for me to keep myself working at home, kailangan tulungan ko yung sarili ko. So, now, yan. 3 hours before the shift, gising na ako. Kasi pagising ko, magkakape, magmumuni-muni, magkakape, and then maliligo, mag-aayos, and then work. Diba? So, I hope I'll make it right na. Kasi ayoko mawala ng work. Mahirap mawala ng trabaho. Ito po lang ang aking source of income. I don't have any other source of income yet, pero kung magkaroon man, hindi ko mapitawan ng work na to kasi I'm so thankful I'm I'm privileged to work with this wonderful company na always there to help me. So yeah, so yun lang po, and thank you so much for watching while I'm getting ready. So I'm almost done getting myself ready, mag-work na me. So simple lang skincare routine, at skincare routine lang talaga ang importante sa lahat. Yes, thank you so much. Bye guys.